doing some ASMR. But this one is super sticky, so that's kind of impossible. I want to know if they should do it. Because you guys, look, it's sticky.
It looks like a Shrek ear.
It's super sticky. And I used the multi-purpose solution. Never use it for slime. It will end up sticky. Please never use multi-purpose solution because it's actually super duper sticky. So please don't use it. Not too slow.
Pizza bread.
Close.
It's a squishy.
Unicorn bread. Yeah.
Oh.
Good job frosting on it. So this is the
Where did you put it? Okay, here's her unicorn bread.
I was gonna add all the sprinkles and frosting and stuff, but I didn't get to finish.
Would you give like
Sorry about the sound. I was very cute. We are the biggest 24 hours in television. Always out here watching TV. It's either NCIS or YouTube. I have a smart TV, so. Well, that is all for today's video. Bye!